container retires. This container is going to the metal scrap. You get tired of it, or maybe they used it for so long, for whatever reason, they decided to retire it, which means they are selling it for scrap, for metal. Can you open it? It's even harder to open. I'm sure I can. Yeah, it is dented badly, so I cannot even open it. Let me see if I can. No, it is bent. The frame is bent. I think there are other reasons, but it is anyway. It is over. So we are taking it to the metal scrap. Is it rusted? Is it broke? It seems like everything is out of alignment. You cannot open the door in the back. The cruise bars are okay. This is a new batch. This is new.